How to create FedEx account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application FedEx. Choose your specific country. It will land you on this interface. Right here you need to fill up some of your information. Once you are done, tap on continue. At the very top, tap on this checkbox. And then click on get started. Well, it will open up this page. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. And then tap on login. You need to tap on sign up. And then it will land you on this interface. Right over here you need to fill up some of your informations. Your first name, your last name, your address, your country where you live, and then your phone number and also your email address. Once it has been done, tap on continue. It will land you on the page where you will need to create a password for your FedEx account. Well, once you have created your password, scroll down and tap on both of this checkbox. Well, you also need to enable this option, use email as user ID. And then you also need to select one secret question. Tap right here. Select any specific question from here. Let me select this one. Tap on it. And then you also need to enter the secret answer. You can enter whatever answer you want. And then tap on sign up at the bottom. There you go, your FedEx account has been created successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your FedEx account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.